everyone, welcome to Kodiapa. Today's video is based on the most requested topic, that is project. I received lots of requests for this video, so here I am. In this video we will discuss everything about the project, like why should you make projects, what point you should keep in mind while making projects, how can you get an idea for your projects, and in the last of the video there is a bonus for you all. I will tell you 5 awesome project ideas on which you can make projects. So don't forget to watch till the end. Before watching further, please subscribe to Kodiapa. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon to not miss any latest video. Let's start the video. There might be a question in your mind that why should you make projects? So firstly, to showcase the technical skills that you know. By making projects you learn things practically. And practical knowledge is always preferred over theoretical knowledge. Second, to showcase your innovation, your idea. Making projects is the best way to show your ideas and innovations to others. Third, to support your freelance work. If you want to do freelance work in any field, you should have a strong portfolio. And you can show your personal projects in your portfolio for getting your first client. Now, points that you should keep in mind while making projects. Try to implement some new technology, framework, library or API in your projects, as this will hit the interviewer that yeah, this guy has used something new, and it will make your profile more interesting as compared to others. Try to make a project which is practical and usable, that is, which we can use somewhere in our daily life. Don't follow what others are making. I have seen that if someone made a project, then others also start making a project on that same idea. Think from interviewer's point of view, that how will they feel when everyone they are interviewing has made a project on the same idea, like a to-do app, Twitter sentiment analysis. So if you come up with something new and unique from others, then the interviewer also show interest in your project. So never follow others. Now you will be thinking, alright, okay, we get these things, but how we can find ideas for our projects? So see, there are 2 ways. The first one is a little bit difficult, but the happiness that you will get when you will be able to implement your idea found in this way cannot be expressed. And I personally support this way of finding ideas over the other. In this way of getting the idea, you have to look around you, that what problem you face in your day-to-day life, or what problem people around you are facing, or any problem that you find in your locality and surrounding. Now after getting the problem, think if you can solve this problem. Maybe you feel that this is a really big problem and I am not having all the resources to solve it. Then you can make a prototype solution for that problem. And when in an interview you will discuss the project that you have made through this way, it will leave a great impact on the interviewer also. But what if you are not able to find any such problem, or its solution can't be implemented through the technologies that you know? Then in this case, the second way comes in. In whichever company you want to go, search for what people of that company have made in projects, and by this you will get the idea. But please never copy paste others' idea. Instead of this, get a hint from their project and come up with something new solution or new way. But where do you have to search for this? You can search on LinkedIn or GitHub. By going through profiles of people working at your dream company or in any college, you will get ideas and you can combine 2 ideas to come up with something new. How can you search? You can either go to LinkedIn and directly search the name of that person who you know has placed at any good company, and in their profile go to the project section to see what projects that they have made. Or you can search college name or company name and see what students of that college or company are making projects on, but never copy projects. In GitHub, you can search for tags of the technologies on which you want to make a project, like Android, and then the projects will appear related to those tags. I am repeating it again. Don't copy projects from GitHub. Just take ideas, do some research, find elements of the project by yourself, and then make it by yourself only. If you are thinking that your project is easy, then add more elements to it. Upload your projects on GitHub and add their link on LinkedIn. Always keep your LinkedIn profile updated. Don't pick easy projects and copy paste them. Try to pick projects in which you can learn something new. Now coming to the bonus section. I will tell you 5 project ideas and you can make a project on them. The first one is your portfolio website. I always advise having your own portfolio website. If you can't buy a domain for it, then easiest way is to deploy it on GitHub. But please make a portfolio website. With time you can add more things to it and can improve it. The second idea is to make a custom library or header file or class which can be useful for others also. And you can make it on any problem that you feel while writing code. The third one is to make projects on cryptography. This technology is booming at very fast pace and it can be helpful for others also. Like you can work on making a secure communication or file transfer by encrypting it. Fourth idea is to make an end-to-end website or application like a weather app in which there is a third-party API provider and you are pulling data from that third-party API provider, then presenting it on your own website or application. Here you can add an option for selecting the location, having a conversion like swapping from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and can make a better UI to make it complex. And the last idea is to make a directory on anything, like Amazon is the directory of products and Kindle is the directory of books. Similarly, you can make the directory on anything. So that's it guys for this video. Go make some good projects. You can also share the link of your project with me for reviewing it, but please don't copy paste anyone else's project. In the comments, you can suggest to me which topic you want me to make videos on. If you like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon to not miss any latest video. Bye bye, take care and keep learning.